afternoon, students. Today I am taking here revision for this first chapter, basic concepts in geometry. Basic concepts in geometry. In this chapter, see first concept, point. Point. A tiny dot made by a finely pointed instrument on a sheet of paper conveys this idea of a point. This dot is the symbol for a point. These capital letters of the English alphabets are used to name points. See this figure: point P, point R, point T. Right here, point P, point R, point T. Capital letters of this English alphabet are used to name these points. This is the point P, point R and point T. A point has a position. Point has a position. In short form, this point means a tiny dot. A tiny dot, it is called as this point. Then next one concept, line segment. Line segment. If you join these 2 points A and B by using this ruler, if we join these 2 points A and B by using a ruler, we get a line segment of this AB. Line segment of this AB. Line segment AB is written as in short form this segment. SEG means segment AB or segment BA. Segment BA. A line segment has a definite length. In short, this line segment means when 2 points are joined up and to form a line segment. Then third one concept is line. Line. If you extend this line segment endlessly on both the sides, if we extend this line segment endlessly on both the sides, we get a line. A line measures a straight line. Line measures a straight line. The line L is shown in the figure. This line L, it is the segment. This segment is extended on both sides and to form this line L. It is also named as this line PQ or line QP. Then line is formed here. Give another name, this PQ, line PQ or line QP. Line QP. A line extends infinitely on both the sides and to form here the line. Then next concept, ray. Ray. A ray is a part of a line. Ray is a part of a line. A ray starts at one point and goes on infinitely on both the direction. Starts on one point P, here Q, and it goes on infinitely in one direction. The starting point of this ray is called as it is origin. The starting point of this ray is called as origin. In the figure, P is the origin of a ray PQ. In the figure, P is origin of the ray PQ. Means ray PQ and QP. It is not read as in QP. Ray, it is only read in only starting from this point. Means ray only PQ. Then next one point is concurrent lines. Concurrent lines. point on the blackboard. Take a 1 point on the blackboard. Let the students draw lines and pass through the point P. How many such lines can be drawn? Let the students draw lines, pass through these lines, pass through these points. You draw here lines. An infinite number of lines can be drawn passing through 1 point. Here 1 point, we draw here infinite number of lines pass through the point. Do the above activity in your notebook using for your ruler. Using for ruler, you draw here many lines. The lines are this concurrent. Lines are this concurrent and this point P. P is the point of concurrence. P is the point of concurrence. P is the point of concurrence. Concurrent lines means when three or more lines pass through the same point, they are called concurrent lines. When three or more lines pass through the same point, and that lines are called as these concurrent lines. Next one, see. Suppose there are 5 points on the figure. 5 points. Name them. If you change any 2 points, how many lines can you draw? One and only one line can be drawn passing through these 2 distant points. 2 distant points. See this. Take these 2 points. Only one line pass through these 2 distant points. Of these 5 points, which 3 or more points lie on a single straight line. Here only 2 lines on a single straight line. Means all these are points are the non-collinear points. And collinear means, see here, collinear points. Collinear points. 3 or more points which lie on a single straight line are said to be these collinear points. 3 or more points. 3 or more points. You take here 4 points. A, B, C, D. 3 or more points which lie on a single straight line. Are said to be these collinear points. Mean this in this figure, point A, B, C and D are on a same line. These points are the collinear points. These points are the collinear points. Remember, 2 distant points are always collinear. The 2 distant points are always collinear. Collinear point definition: 3 or more points which lie on a single line. And these points are called as these collinear points. Non-collinear points. Non-collinear points. The points which do not lie on the same line are called non-collinear points. Here 4 points A, B, C, D. All points are on a single straight line. No. The points which do not lie on the same line are called non-collinear points. In the figure, points A, B, C, D are the non-collinear points. Then next one concept is plane. Plane. A flat surface. A flat surface is called as a plane. is called a plane. In the figure, arrows are drawn on all the sides to show that the plane extends infinitely in all the directions. A flat surface which extends infinitely on all the directions. See these directions, 4 directions here, and to form a here plane. Then next one point is parallel lines. Parallel lines. Parallel lines. Lines which lie in the same plane but do not intersect each other to be parallel lines. Here two lines. Line M and N. In the figure, line M and line N in the plane, they do not intersect to each other. These two lines do not intersect to each other. Means line M parallel to line this N. And here symbol of this parallel lines is line M parallel to line N. Symbol of this parallel lines in this type. Means these two lines do not intersect to each other, and these lines called as a parallel lines. Then next one point is perpendicular lines. Perpendicular, or it is also called as intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. Perpendicular lines or intersecting lines. When two lines intersect to each other, intersect means joined to each other. When these two lines intersect to each other, and these two lines called as a perpendicular line or intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. Mean these two lines intersect to each other. Again one see here example of this. This line intersect here. This line. Therefore these two lines are intersecting or perpendicular lines. They intersect to each other. Then remaining part tomorrow. Okay.